let's take a sidebar here and talk a little bit about units of analysis, because there's a classic problem that can arise. When a concept describes a characteristic at its lowest possible level, it's using individual level units of analysis. So individual level, and when we talk about political science, is usually individual people, individuals in survey data, for example. That's the most common. Some conceptual definitions refer to aggregate level units of analysis, collections of individual entities, states, universities, countries. There's a problem when you're measuring a concept at the aggregate level and you find yourself making inferences about the individual level. Let's discuss this problem so we can always be alert to it. It's called the ecological fallacy, and here it is. The relationship between two aggregate level concepts cannot be used to make inferences about the relationship at the individual level. Here's the classic. Back in the 1950s, a statistician named W.S. Robinson demonstrated this fallacy when he showed that states with higher percentages of foreign-born individuals had higher English proficiency than states with lower percentages of foreign-born individuals. Well, it would be tempting, given this aggregate level relationship, to therefore infer that foreign-born individuals have higher English proficiency than non-foreign-born individuals. Of course, what's going on here, the underlying dynamic of the ecological fallacy, is that foreign-born individuals were immigrating to states where the native populations had higher English proficiency. That's what created the aggregate level relationship. And if you examine the relationship at the individual level, you find just the opposite. You find that non-immigrant populations have higher English proficiency than immigrant populations. This is a very transparent example, but sometimes you find yourself falling into the fallacy when it isn't so stark and noticeable. Another example would be inferring individuals' incomes in a country from average income for the country. You can't make an inference about how much income an individual makes by looking at the average for the entire country.